want to show you how to play Drop Baby Drop by Eddy. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start off with the introduction. You're just going to arpeggiate a B-flat chord. So you're going to arpeggiate down B-flat, F, D, B-flat, D, F, B-flat, and then A, B-flat, C, G, B-flat, B-flat. We're going to put a B-flat chord in the bass. And then do a D minor. And then we'll hit. Now you can hit those chords once or twice. It works both ways. It works just as well both ways. See, so I'll play it once with just hitting it once and you can see. And then you can hit that F chord twice. Now the rhythm setting that I put on here is just a straight beat, 8 beat with at a 132 beats per minute. So it'll sound like, so you can get right. So you can get right in there, and I'll put the doubles in there this time. Now let me show you how that goes. What you got to do if you're going to do the doubles, you got to hit the first one right away. Then wait and hit it again. And then we do it again. And so if you wait for it, then you got to play a single. The key to hitting it twice, I only wrote it in there once, and then you can do it either way. It's a little easier to just play it once. Then you can put a double in there anytime you want to. But there's your introduction. You play through it twice. Here it is with the drums. So now let's get the melody. It starts up here on this D, 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 C, D, C, G, B flat, twice, back to G, B flat. So you go back and forth. And then a D, C, then we do it again. C, D, C. Then we come down with F, F, G, A, B flat, C, A, B flat, G. C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat. Now there you're going to have to cross over. Under F, G, A, B flat, C, A, B flat, G. Then up to the E flat. Cross down. Then we just end with E flat. And there's, you've got the melodic content of the whole thing. So then all we gotta do is put our chords in there. Now you're gonna have 4 chords. B flat, D minor, C minor, F major, all the way through. So here we go with the melody. There's where the chorus comes in, and I play that by itself without a bass. Now, if you want to play that with the triplets in there, you're going to have to synchronize it. You just got to fit them in there. That's a little bit awkward. Once you get there, you're just going to have to play it hands separately and then put it together. Back. easier on the chorus if you just play one. But it'll work just as well with two as with one, and it'll work just as well both ways with the drums. So the second verse is just about identical to the first one. You just play it again. So you just do the same thing with the chorus. Just going to end it with, and you're going to play this that little D D E flat on that second E flat and G. See, it's got to come kind of together. And then you don't have to hit that twice if you don't want to, but then we go into that instrumental bridge and tag, and they just play it over and over several times, different things. So all I did is I shortened that, and we'll end with one chord. But here, that instrumental bridge is B flat, D D, B flat, A C C, A G G G, B flat, G G F. So it'll sound like. Then we'll walk it back up, F F G A. And then walk it back up. And then you can go into the melody for a little bit if you want it. And what I'll do there is I'll go up and play it up here. And then I'll come back down. So just play it as many times as you want to right there. It'll work just as well. I was playing single chords there, but you can play doubles. What I do right there is I'm going to put the drums on so you can see how I end it. I just play right up there, then I turn the drums off, and then I play this ending tag chord. Now you can can play the F in the right hand if you want. You can play the G in the right hand if you want, but you don't have to. You can just play the B flat, the D and the B flat. Down here, you can play the D if you want. You don't have to. If you get these notes played, B, F, G, D, B flat, you've got that B flat chord with an added sixth. So put the drums in there, and we'll end it. There you have it. Drop, Baby Drop. Nice little reggae song by Eddy Grant. Hope you enjoy it.